Okay, we can see you.
I think you can hear me now.
Okay, yeah, and we can hear you. Okay, we're ready to go. Welcome, welcome, and you are ready to start.
Thank you very much. I'm going to share my screen. So probably you can see my screen now.
Yes, everything's fine.
Perfect, perfect. So, hello, I'm thrilled to be with you today in this beautiful initiative, and I would like to express my gratitude to Christos, for organizing this event. Thank you, Christos. Today, we'll be exploring how integrating C# and .NET, of course, into Power Apps can unlock new possibilities, blending custom development with the efficiency of low-code platforms. My name is Maria-Anastasia, and I'm passionate about a wide range of things, from cloud computing, IoT, AI, and robotics, to ballet, traveling, and of course, spending time with my pets. Let me walk you through my journey so far to get to know me better. It all started with my diploma in computer engineering and informatics in the University of Patras. During my studies, I discovered my passion for sharing knowledge, which led me to become a blogger and a speaker. This exposure to the tech community opened doors, and soon I was honored with the Microsoft MVP Award in IoT, a recognition that truly accelerated my career. Meanwhile, I joined BigWise as a software developer, where I apply what I love most, building smart solutions. My journey didn't stop there, though. Alongside my tech career, I've been also passionate about education. So, in my free time, I became a robotics educator, aiming to inspire the next generation. I wanted to deepen my impact in education, which led me to pursue a master's degree and eventually my current path as a PhD student in computational thinking. Throughout this journey, my passion for technology and education has intertwined, allowing me to explore how both fields can transform the way we think, create, and solve problems. And, and now, let me give you a quick overview of what we'll be covering today. We'll start with low-code development and how it empowers faster solution building. Next, we'll explore the Power Platform and Dynamics 365, followed by a dive into coding with C# to enhance our applications. I'll show you 3 practical examples of how C# can transform Dynamics 365 experiences. Along the way, we will focus on debugging techniques, specifically for these 3 scenarios. And I will also share a roadmap to guide those interested in getting started with these technologies. And of course, we will wrap up with a Q&A session to address your questions and provide valuable resources for further exploration. So let's begin by defining what low-code development actually is. Low-code is a visual approach to software development that allows us to build applications much faster by using minimal hand coding. Instead of writing thousands of lines of code from scratch, we can rely on visual tools and pre-built components to speed up the process. This approach not only saves us time, but also opens up software development to a broader audience, including those who might not have extensive coding experience. So it's really about empowering more people to build and innovate. As we dive deeper into low-code platforms, let's take a look at some of the most well-known options in the industry. Each of these platforms, of course, provides a unique set of tools to help us build applications with minimal coding effort. We have OutSystems, Appian, Salesforce, and of course, Microsoft Power Platform. Before moving on, let me dive into the Microsoft Power Platform. The Power Platform is a set of tools designed to help us create, automate, and analyze data quickly and efficiently, even without advanced coding skills. Let's break down its core components that empower the creation of flexible and intelligent applications. At the top, we have Copilot. I think you all know it. It's an AI tool that assists with content generation and automates various processes, enabling smarter solutions. Then we have the 5 core tools. Power BI provides data analytics and visualization capabilities, making decision-making more strategic and data-driven. Power Apps, a platform for developing custom applications, making it easy to build solutions with minimal coding. Power Automate, this tool enables automation of tasks and workflows. Power Pages, a tool for easily building websites connected to our data, providing a way to share information and collaborate with external users. And Copilot Studio add advanced AI features to the platform, enabling even non-experts to create and train machine learning models. Next, we have Power FX and Dataverse. For developers, these two tools are foundational. PowerFX is the low-code language that helps customize app behavior, while Dataverse offers a robust data management layer. PowerFX and Dataverse combined with connectors enable seamless integration with third-party services. And AI Builder add advanced AI features to the platform. Finally, managed environments allow easily management of applications and data, maintaining high standards for security and governance. Now that we've explored the individual components of the Power Platform, let's take a look at how these tools are interconnected to form a unified ecosystem. This diagram shows the Power Platform as part of a connected and orchestrated platform that spans a variety of capabilities. Starting from the top, we see the collaboration suite. This suite brings together tools like Teams and Microsoft 365, enabling seamless communication and collaboration across the platform. Next, we have analytics and business intelligence, where Power BI plays a central role in delivering data insights and empowering decision-making. Moving on to process mining and AI capabilities, including conversational AI and Copilot, we see how AI enhances our workflows. These tools make it possible to analyze processes, gain insights, and even automate interactions with AI Builder and Copilot Studio. The platform then supports low-code applications and low-code websites. Here, Power Apps and Power Pages provide environments for rapid low-code development of both apps and websites interfaces, making it accessible to create solutions without extensive coding. Following that, robotic process automation through Power Automate allows us to automate repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and saving time. Then we have integration platform as a service, which alongside 1,200 plus connectors ensures that our applications can integrate with other services and data sources seamlessly. The cloud data platform with Dataverse supports all these capabilities by providing a unified data source, and Azure Active Directory offers a strong identity provider, ensuring secure access across the platform. Together, these tools form a cohesive platform that empowers us to build solutions quickly, automate tasks, and scale our applications with ease. Imagine a scenario where you're building a custom CRM tool within Power Apps. using Power Automate for notifications, Power BI for analytics, and integrating with Teams for collaboration, all powered by Dataverse. This ecosystem lets you create a unified, scalable solution. Next, we have the last technology I want to introduce you, Microsoft Dynamics 365. So let me provide a brief overview for those who might not be familiar with it. Dynamics 365 is a set of connected modular software as a service applications and services built on Microsoft Azure, designed to transform business activities. Dynamics 365 consists of CRM, ERP, AI, mixed reality, and modular intelligent business applications that offer a complete set of solutions across marketing, sales, commerce, service, finance, operations, and talent. It is integrated with productivity apps in Microsoft 365, such as Excel, Word, Outlook, and others, and seamlessly connected with Microsoft Power Platform, of course. Now, one might ponder, why should I delve into low code instead of continuing with traditional software development? Compelling statistics from the Gartner Group forecast that by this year, 70% of applications will be created using low-code or no-code platforms, leaving only 30% to traditional development methods. This signals a significant upward trend in the adoption of low-code and no-code platforms, presenting an opportunity for us to leverage this growing market. The surge in popularity can be attributed to the resource-intensive nature of traditional development, both in terms of human and financial resources. Additionally, the shift towards low-code options has accelerated, particularly in the wake of the pandemic, where businesses shiftily embrace the digital realm. While I firmly believe that traditional development will always have its place and enthusiasts, of course, today's presentation aims to showcase an alternative. Even if you are a seasoned software developer, there is value in exploring low-code options due to their faster design and development processes, a direction that the market is undoubtedly heading. So this presentation serves as an introduction to this alternative path, providing insights into the changing landscape of software development. Now let's consider one more compelling statistic. The well-known Forrester Group conducted a survey revealing that the market of low-code platforms is projected to reach a 200 billion by this year. This sizable figure underscores the immense growth potential within the low-code landscape. As we witness this substantial market projection, it prompts us to ask why not to position ourselves within this dynamic market. The opportunities appear abundant, and it's an opportune time to explore and embrace the potential that this growing market offers. Microsoft has also recognized as a leader in previous years' Gartner's Magic Quadrant for enterprise low-code application platforms, gives us confidence in choosing a platform that is both cutting edge and widely trusted. So let's now move on to more technical paths. When working within Microsoft's low-code ecosystem, we primarily use these three languages: PowerFX, C#, and JavaScript. Each language has its own strengths and is suited to different types of tasks, within Power Apps and Dynamics 365. PowerFX is a formula-based low-code language similar to Excel formulas, perfect for simple logic and calculations, as well as for defining app behavior without extensive coding. It's highly accessible and ideal for less complex but essential app functionalities. Then C# is the powerhouse language in the Microsoft stack, geared toward developing secure, efficient, and scalable business logic. It's primarily used to implement complex functionalities, business logic computations, and data management by creating plugins that enhance or extend Dynamics 365 beyond standard capabilities. JavaScript, as you probably already know, shines in creating interactive and dynamic user experiences. It's commonly used to build custom user interface components that enhance interaction, allowing us to craft highly responsive applications that meet unique design requirements. Its language offers distinct capabilities, so choosing one depends on your applications, specific requirements, and goals. Today, we'll dive into C#, exploring how it can integrate with Dynamics 365 to deliver robust and customized functionalities. C# enables us to create plugins, as I said before, that bring added functionality, seamless integrations, and efficiency to our applications, ideal for those scenarios where out of the box isn't quite enough. Now, let's bring everything we've discussed to life. In this next section, we'll dive into 3 scenarios to see how custom code operates within the Dynamics 365 environment. Through this, we'll explore firsthand how integrating C# can enhance functionalities, streamline processes, and expand what's possible in Power Apps. So let's jump in and see custom code in action. We're starting with the simplest plugin that I have ever made, the update the unique title, to introduce you to plugin development. This plugin dynamically creates unique titles for project records in Dynamics 365. This plugin uses various attributes from related entities to construct a custom title based on specific logic, ensuring that each project record has a distinct identifier. The plugin's main functionality is triggered on create and update actions within the Dynamics environment. It checks specific attributes like the project's category, subcategory, location, and name. By combining these attributes, the plugin generates a unique title for each project, which is particularly useful for tracking and organizing project records in complex data environments. This code follows Dynamics 365 standard plugin structure and uses essential services such as iPlugin execution context to handle the execution context, iOrganization service for operations on the Dynamics environment, and iTracing service to log information for debugging. Let's go through each part in detail. First, we initialize the plugin with 2 parameters, unsecure and secure, which allows us to manage any external configurations if needed. This constructor sets up the plugin type, preparing it for execution. The execute CDS plugin method serves as the entry point. It retrieves the context and checks if the action is a create or update operation. When an operation matches, the plugin proceeds to process record where the core functionality lies. In this part, we have two main logic paths determined by the value of the variable origin. When origin is set to 1 or 2, the title requires 5 specific components: category, subcategory, name, county, and municipality. Each of these attributes adds unique context to the project, helping to distinguish records based on geographical and categorical details. And for an origin value of 3 or this alternate value, the title is simplified and only includes name, account, and invoice value. This version of the title focuses on key financial and account-related data, which is more relevant for certain types of projects or entities. This branching logic ensures that the unique title is always relevant to the project's characteristics and use case. Depending on the origin, the plugin dynamically adjusts the title structure to provide a clear and consistent identifier. This is the main part of the plugin where we define the logic to build the unique title. This section retrieves the origin attribute, which determines the project's type and influences the title building logic. If the origin attribute isn't available, the plugin retrieves it from a pre-image in update scenarios, providing a backup source of data. Using a series of regions, we build the title by adding various attributes in a specific order. The plugin checks if project category attribute exists and retrieves their names. If found, they are added to the unique title. This structure is repeated for the other fields too. So we retrieve and add each attribute to the title, ensuring they are correctly ordered and separated by a dash. In this code block, for example, we define how the name attribute contributes to the unique title. Finally, we save the constructed title to the Dynamics entity. This part creates an entity instance for the project entity, assigns the generated unique title, and uses the current user service to update the record. Moreover, the plugin includes robust error handling, logging any exceptions using tracing service. This section here ensures any issues are captured and logged, essential for troubleshooting. In this demonstration, we explored how C# plugin processes Dynamics 365 data to construct a unique title, focusing on attributes that reflect project identity. This approach not only organizes project records, but also leverages Dynamics' rich data model to dynamically generate identifiers tailored to specific business needs. Now, in this next example, we'll look at the sales document sum use case, which is part of a more complex plugin. This plugin integrates with multiple entities within CRM to manage and automate financial calculations across related records. This specific functionality is designed to maintain an up-to-date total value for each sales document by automatically summing all individual net values associated with it. This update occurs whenever a net value is created, modified, or deleted. By automating this calculation, we ensure that the total value always reflects the most current state of the sales document without requiring manual updates. By implementing this functionality, we achieve consistency and accuracy. The total value remains accurate, reflecting all changes. Efficiency. Manual calculations are no longer necessary, which reduces errors and speeds up workflows. And real-time updates. Sales documents always display the latest total value, providing reliable information for decision making. The code behind this functionality is extensive, so we will continue to the third use case. So let's dive into our third use case, preventing automatic invitation to attendees. In Dynamics 365 CRM, when you create an appointment, the system typically sends an automatic invitation to attendees. However, there are cases where you might want to create an appointment but prevent CRM from sending these invitations. While there's no built-in setting to disable this behavior, we can achieve it with a customized workaround. To address this need, I developed a C# plugin with a simple solution. The plugin includes a custom button in the CRM platform labeled Do Not Send Invitation. When this button is set to no, the plugin automatically appends the text -- send no invitation to attendees -- to the appointment's description. Once this text is added, I configured an exchange rule to delete any messages, conducting this phrase, ensuring that no invitation is sent to attendees. This multi-step process enables us to control invitation behavior directly from CRM. To make this work, an admin must configure a custom rule in Exchange. Here's how it's done. I had to access the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and log in with admin rights. Then navigate to Exchange and select Add a Rule to create a new rule. After that, set up the rule. For a condition, apply this rule if the subject of body contains the phrase send no invitation to attendees with the dashes. For action, select delete the message without notifying the recipient or sender. And for rule mode, enforce the rule to ensure it's always active. Once this done, the Exchange configuration will work in tandem with the plugin to prevent automatic invitations. The code I developed for this plugin is designed to manage the automatic sending of email invitations when creating or updating appointments in CRM. The plugin's primary function is to append the text we saw before to the description field if the button is set to no, which prevents invitation emails from being sent. This plugin activates in two scenarios: on creation of an appointment with any attributes, or on updates to attributes like optional attendees, required attendees, description, and invitation sent, our new custom button. The get organization service method handles core setup tasks by initializing parameters such as the plugin context and organization service, preparing the environment for the plugin's logic. The heart of this plugin is the process record method, which handles the key logic. It checks the appointment descriptions and the invitation sent status to determine if an invitation should be prevented. If the button is set to no, the plugin adds the text "send no invitation to attendees" to the description, signaling the exchange rule to delete the email. Excuse me. A helper function called strip HTML tags uses regular expressions to strip out any HTML tags from the appointment description. This function ensures that the description is text only and clean, preventing issues with formatting in CRM. The plugin also includes error handling to log any exceptions during execution. This is managed through IE tracing service, which allows us to monitor and troubleshoot any issues as they arise. Now, for many low-code developers, debugging can seem challenging, especially when coming from a non-coding background. Here's a conversation I had with a former Dynamics 365 developer on X, who shared his experiences. As you can see, he told me that Dynamics 365 gives him horrible flashbacks because he had to make plugins. He said that doing actual C# coding for the Power Platform was beyond convoluted and debugging was a nightmare. But in reality, debugging isn't as hard as it seems. With a few essential tools and practices, you can get comfortable and efficient with it. One of the most valuable tools for debugging plugins in Dynamics 365 is the plugin registration tool. To start, you need to register your plugin and its steps within this tool, which sets up the environment for debugging. Next, attach the plugin registration tool to Visual Studio. This connection enables seamless integration between the tool and your development environment. And now you are ready to debug. With the plugin registration tool and Visual Studio setup, you can debug your plugins just as you would with any pure C# code. This approach lets you work comfortably within your usual debugging processes, making it easier to identify and fix issues efficiently. Let's now walk through a roadmap quickly for getting started with Power Platform development. This roadmap is designed to help you build a solid foundation and gradually gain expertise in creating customized solutions. We will look at the key skills and tools to focus on, from understanding core Power Platform components to integrating data using version control and sharpening essential coding skills. By following these steps, you'll be able to unlock the full potential of Power Platform and develop solutions to real business needs. So, to work effectively with the Power Platform, it's essential to be familiar with each product: Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Pages, and Copilot Studio. Beyond the main products, these components help you to build more powerful and integrated applications. As we said before, Dataverse, Data Connectors, Power Effects, and AI Builder. Next, we have version control tools. Version control is essential for collaboration and tracking changes, especially as projects become more complex. So we have Git and GitHub. And being able to quickly find solutions is a vital skill. So we have Google or Microsoft Edge. We have Stack Overflow or MS Communities. And of course, ChatGPT and Copilot to help us find what we want. So even though Power Platform is a low-code environment, coding skills are very helpful for creating customized solutions. So we have JavaScript and C#. We have PCF, Power Apps Component Framework, and of course debugging skills, debugging tools, and I think this is it. I welcome any questions you may have.
So, thank you very much. I'm checking the chat to see if there are any comments or questions. There's just one comment. It says, coding is the new trend. Okay. Really nice comment. Okay.
Yeah.
So, I think that's it. I don't see any comments in the chat. So, thank you very much for your effort and the contribution. And we will move to the last presentation of the day at 4 o'clock. So stay online and see you in a few minutes. Okay, thank you, Maria.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.